schools get ready to head back in the fall, it's still unclear exactly what that will look like.
As Eyewitness News consumer reporter Gina Marini explains, several districts sent out surveys to parents and has a look at how parents feel about in-person versus remote learning.
Reopening plans from schools across Rhode Island are due to state education officials by Friday to better understand the needs of their community and gauge how comfortable parents are to send their child to school. Districts sent out surveys. Coventry Public School District sent out more than 4,500 surveys at the end of the school year to parents. A little more than 1,300 responded. Of those, about 50% say they prefer a full-person return in the fall, 15% say they prefer distance learning, while 35% say they'd prefer a hybrid. Don Cowart, who's Director of Curriculum Instruction and Assessment for the district, says he helped to write the survey. Though the state hasn't approved a plan yet, he says the survey made a big impact on their proposal.
Just the idea of going with a hybrid plan was driven by what our parents said.
Barrington School District sent out a survey in June to 2,200 parents, and a little more than 1,000 responded. Of those, about 72% say they're in favor of sending their kids back to school this fall, while 28% say they're not. Kristen Pierce will have 4 children in the Barrington School District come fall. She says based off her experience with distance learning, she's for sending her kids back, but says she still has some concerns.
Many children have siblings, so if one child gets sick, I know that that class is going to quarantine, but what about the siblings of that child and their classrooms?
Warwick School District survey was similar to Barrington's, and it was sent to parents of middle and high school students. A little more than 1,300 responded. About 64% of parents say they're comfortable with sending their child back to school, while about 36% say they're not. Warwick plans to send out another survey to elementary school parents next week. Now, other schools tell me they're currently working on their surveys. For more information, head to our website, WPRI.com. Gina Marini, Eyewitness News.